Along the coast of Northern California and into Southern Oregon, there are extraordinary forest lands, a unique environment that's home to coast redwood and Douglas fir trees. This unique ecosystem calls for a unique approach to business. That's why we're taking a 21st century approach to a centuries-old industry, making it our mission to manage our forest lands with a high standard of environmental stewardship while also operating a successful business. As part of the Mendocino family of companies, we own 440,000 acres of sustainably managed redwood and Douglas fir timberlands in Humboldt and Mendocino counties. We utilize selective harvesting, whereby individual and small stands of trees are identified for harvesting. This allows us to maintain an intact forest for the benefit of wild flora and fauna, yielding a continually growing, sustainable source of high-quality timber products into the future. Every year, we grow more than we harvest, with annual harvest levels less than 4% of our total acreage. And we retain trees meeting our old growth definition, either as individual trees or as a stand of trees. Finally, we've eliminated traditional clear-cutting as a harvesting method. With these sustainable forestry practices in place, our timberlands are certified to the standards of the Forest Stewardship Council. We manage these lands to provide habitat for the diverse variety of plants and animals found here. Before any trees are harvested or roads are built, our botanists and biologists find and protect populations living within our forests. By protecting these organisms and their habitat, we help maintain biological diversity and a healthy working ecosystem. Clean water is vital to our forest land operations, both for the trees and the wildlife. 2,900 miles of streams run throughout our forest lands, and we've controlled millions of cubic yards of sediment from entering watercourses. Millions of dollars are budgeted annually to maintain, upgrade, relocate, and even retire roads and bridges. These improvements have the most immediate impact on reducing sediment in streams and protecting and improving salmon and steelhead habitats. Operational efficiencies throughout our 2 California sawmills are key to managing our businesses in a sustainable manner. Using a state-of-the-art optimization system which scans every log prior to cutting, we're able to determine the most efficient way to produce lumber and timbers to meet customer demand, thereby maximizing yield within our solid lumber products. Wood byproducts such as sawdust, shavings, bark, and chips are sold for use in landscape coverings, pulp, soil, or reconstituted wood products. Our Emerald Peat brand of fine-grind redwood bark is blended with other materials to create high-quality soils for agriculture and gardening. Our Scotia, California cogeneration power plant also utilizes these residuals to help power our sawmill, dry kilns, and the surrounding community. The use of biomass to make steam and electricity furthers our ongoing commitment to operate both an environmentally sustainable and economically successful business. In addition to our redwood and Douglas fir capabilities, our pressure-preserved business is the largest waterborne wood-preserving operation west of the Mississippi River, producing up to 500 million board feet annually. Our comprehensive product offerings include Douglas fir, hem fir, and southern yellow pine, available in a range of preservative options for above-ground, ground contact, and fire-retardant applications. By extending the useful life of wood products through wood preservation, we can serve forest lands for future generations. Renewable resources like pressure-preserved wood from well-managed forests require less energy to produce than many other structural building materials, namely concrete and steel. Our distribution network includes hundreds of independent lumber yards, along with the nation's largest home improvement retailers, and stretches from California to Alaska, east to the Rocky Mountains, and across the ocean to the Hawaiian Islands, Guam, and the Greater Pacific Rim. All of our distribution centers have the capacity, equipment, and trained personnel to produce special orders to meet customer demand. The Mendocino family of companies offers the highest quality lumber for just about every construction application. From naturally strong redwood and Douglas fir to durable pressure-preserved lumber, homeowners, architects, contractors, and other specifiers can choose our products with confidence, knowing that they've been produced responsibly with a view to the future. Our purpose is to manage our businesses with a high standard of environmental stewardship while also operating successfully. It's a 21st century approach to a centuries-old industry, employing over 900 people earning family wages and benefits, using sustainable harvesting practices to ensure a healthy working forest for generations to come, engaging the latest technology to reduce waste and increase efficiency and safety, operating a best-in-class distribution network to deliver our products when and where our customers need them. Visit mendoco.com to learn more about the Mendocino family of companies.